Pati ko nalilito eh.
Alam na alam ni Sila, no?
Uy, pareho sila. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, oh.
I love you. 1, 2, 3, I love you.
2 words.
Okay. Ang sagot ni Kim, may smiling face pa, ay gym, shopping, movie, dinner with Sian sometime.
I'm so happy!
Dinner with Sian sometimes ang paningin natin. Sagot naman ni Sian ay mga bayo sa Subic, drive a sports car, bonding with sisters at mag-gym.